Hi, in this lecture, I'm going to talk about Python turtle. You're going to ask, what is a turtle? So before we talk about turtle, let's talk about classes and objects. Um, Classes is like a blueprint. Object is like a house. Can you live in the blueprint? Can you live in the house? Can you build a multiple houses from one blueprint? And do all the houses have the same exact addresses? And are all the houses exactly the same? Well, with the blueprint is like a class, it used to create object, and you could have many object or many houses. All the all the houses will have different address, such as all the object will have different memory location in memory to hold that object. So let's look at more about Turtle. Python package. Turtle is a Python package that allow user to draw a simple, colorful figures. This is a Python port of the logo Turtle program, which is a graphical program. Why do we study Turtle? Because Turtle is an object, and we want to study class and object. To do this, you need to import the Turtle. The import statement tell I want to import the Turtle package or the Turtle module, and then you can create a screen or the canvas where the turtle can live and draw. So you only need one screen, and you can have one turtle or multiple turtle. You can create a turtle with a turtle dot turtle, and you can move the turtle with a turtle dot forward or backward or right left to turn the turtle. So let's look at a example. This is a turtle example. When you work on a turtle, import turtle, creating a turtle screen, creating a turtle, the first three lines basically like a template. This will give you a turtle. So let me try put this on with Poet. And we've been using the console with Poet. So let me go to the turtle version. And using incremental development, I can import the turtle. Here's my screen, turtle.screen. And I can actually run this program. It won't do anything, of course, other than the center. But at least you won't see any error. Alex is the turtle name. I named the turtle called Alex. And if I run this, you won't see the turtle just yet, because the turtle actually ran and went away. So let me just go ahead and finish this statement. We can see what's going on. Turtle.forward 50, Alex.left 90, Alex.forward 30, and the main loop. The main loop is used to hold the window so that the turtle window doesn't go away. Did everybody see this turtle? The turtle move forward 50 units, and then you turn left, which is counterclockwise, 90 degree, and move forward 30 units. Now notice that if I remove this 3 line just for now and run the turtle program, you don't see anything. But with this line, you will see the turtle moving around, and that actually make things fun. I can have do more, like Alex start say left again, say 90, and Alex start forward. Now this time maybe I go 100 units, and let me run this. Oops, I misspelled Alex. If you misspell something, do you notice that the console have an X? Because of a syntax error. This is Alex, not Slacks. So let's go back to the lecture. So this is give you some idea what you can do with a turtle. Here's another example using Shasta as a turtle name, but the same thing. If it's very similar, you can move the turtle around. Um, as you can see, when the turtle moves, it draw a line. What happens if you do not want to draw a line? You can use pen up and pen down. Pen up, you can think about the turtle tail is up, so when you move, it doesn't draw a line. Pen down, the tail is down, so you will leave a trace or line when the turtle move. You can using the background color, BG color. So again, if you look at this statement here, WN is the object, the screen object. Dot BG color is the method, and then you can pass in this case light green. I want to change the background color to light green. You can also change the turtle color to blue, turtle pen size to 3, the thickness of the pen. And you can also have something called exit on click. This will close the canvas window when the user click his mouse on the canvas. And you can have multiple turtles by creating different instances of turtle. Each one can have their own color, own pen size, and etc. You can have a turtle draw a square. So going back to the example we have earlier, I could have Alex go say 50, 90, and 50 again, and let me do this. Do this 1, 2, 3, 4, and this would be one too many. If I run this, you can see, hey, I draw a square, and you can see this statement here. These are repeated statements. Because these are repeated statements, you can use, for example, for I in range 4. You can see these statements here, these two statements get repeated 4 times. So I can change that to a loop and create a program that draws a square. Okay. So let's go back to the lecture for a moment. Write a program to draw a hexagon with a length of 25 units. So given I know how to draw a square, how would you draw a hexagon? How about a decagon, a 10-sided polygon? So if I want to draw a hexagon, I have 6 sides, so I can change that to a 6. And I can go forward 25 units, like the program said. How many degrees do I need to turn? Well, I will need to turn 60 degrees. Take a look. I have a hexagon. Why 60 degrees? The 60 degree came from 360 degrees in a circle was divided by 6. Given this, how would you draw a decagon, a polygon with 10 sides? Well, I know I need to do range 10. And 360 divided by 10 now is 36. Alright, that looked pretty good. Given this then, how would you write a program to draw any side polygon? Triangle, square, pentagon, decagon, any side polygon. Well, this is what the programming is all about. We did square, hexagon, and decagon, and you notice that the only thing are changing are how many angle to turn, which is 360 degree by number of side, and the number of side here. So we could prompt user say size equal to int, the prompt user for input, enter number of sides, and the angle is going to be 360 divided by side. And this is the power programming. This 10 here is not 10 anymore. It's using side, which is holding how many sides of a polygon. This 36 is not 36 anymore. It's the angle that I'm turning based on number of sides. So if I run this program, you see the console here asking you for how many sides. So I say, let's do 10 here. And then you go back to the window here. You can see draw a 10-sided polygon. So if I run this again, how about I do say 3? Oops, I should hit return first. And then you would draw a triangle. Okay, everyone?